The application of Ceracoat ceramic self-cleaning coating on solar panels is very easy. You just need to spray on the panels. That's it. The panels only have to be humid, not wet. Optimum is if you use 15 to 20 milliliters per square meter. I know this may be a little bit difficult, but there are special spraying machines or robots or even drones for larger scale to really use only 15 to 20 milliliters per square meter. If for a demonstration you want to be sure not to use too much material, you can also put the Ceracoat ceramic self-cleaning coating on a towel. You can put it on a towel, and then instead of spraying, you put the liquid on the surface like this. If you use too much material, for example, if you use 50 milliliters for 1 square meter instead of 20 only, that's not the problem. It's only a question of money, of course, because then you have a waste of material. You need 20, you use 50, that's a waste of money and a waste of material. Then the panels can look like this. So this is quite ugly to look at. That means these panels were coated with about 60 milliliters per square meter, which is 3 times too much. That's not the problem. That's only the optic. That means the optic changes. You see this ugly matte film, but doesn't matter anything. The coating is self-cleaning. The coating will be cleaned by sun and rain, and the coating will help to produce more electricity, even if it looks like this. If you keep them like this, the first rains will take away the coating which was too much. That means the optic will become better. But it can happen that still the optic is a little bit like this, because not the too much material will go away. But this doesn't change anything. If for a demonstration you don't want to have this, because you don't like this optic to show to people, then you spray the coating on the panel and then you wash it with a cloth. If you do that, the panel will look nice and you will not have a panel looking like this. I repeat, this is not necessary to do, but you can do that. So don't be afraid if panels look like this. This is only a question of optic and nothing else. The panels work correctly like this.